Hello everyone. Everything you're about to see in this video has been checked by professional mechanics right here in the shop. So don't worry, we're close, really close to fixing it. When a customer comes in with this warning on their car, the first thing we explain is that the directional lights, the ones that turn slightly when you take a curve, aren't working properly. Recently, when I interviewed a customer, he told me, the warning light came on and the headlights don't move when I turn. And that tells us the system has disabled the function to protect the motors or the sensors. But wait, don't go anywhere. Something we see a lot here in the shop is that the sensors might be dirty or misaligned. Recently, a customer told me the following. I cleaned the windshield and the sensors, and the warning light disappeared for a while. And it's true. If the steering angle sensor or the level sensor aren't working properly, the system doesn't know where to move the headlights. Like one of our technicians told me, if the headlight's brain doesn't know where you're positioned, it won't move the lights. I also want to add that some customers who have come here to the shop have noticed that the problem showed up right after changing the battery or after a power loss. Why does this happen? Well, this is very common because the headlight control modules lose their memory and need to be reset. Something that really stands out to me is that most of these cases have over 50,000 kilometers on them. In other words, when they reach this mileage, this message or problem shows up more often. But wait, there are also cases where the headlight motors or actuators are damaged. A customer told me that one of the headlights doesn't turn, even after resetting. And here, the diagnosis has to go deeper. Sometimes the motor is burned out or the internal gears fail. To give you an idea, the manufacturer even has technical bulletins recommending replacing the module or doing a full recalibration in these cases. Meanwhile, other customers notice that the problem is intermittent and only happens sometimes. It's just crazy. This could be due to moisture inside the module or loose connections. Like my friends here at the shop say, the system warns you before the motor gets damaged, so it's better to check it in time. Well, my friends, I hope this information was helpful to you. Please don't forget to leave a comment below to let me know if I was able to help you or not.